Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion version. Pay attention, look at me. Don't ever let another person tell you that your dreams are not real. Guess what? They told me I was gonna fail. Look at that. They told me that I wasn't going to make it. Look at that. The teachers at school, they told me I was gonna fail. Look at that. In the army, you know what they did in the military? They kicked me out of the military. But guess what? I still made it. I still made it. You know what? People in my family said I wouldn't do big things, and I did it. What I want to tell you is this: whatever you're thinking about, whatever you're praying about, whatever you're believing, change the mindset. That's the key. That's the secret. If you change you, everything changes. This is Wesley, $1 billion version. Let's go!